Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. We've got a brand new mirror, different to the ones I use on my van, but I did end up with this one. It's brand new, as you can see, genuine Mercedes. Obviously I'd have said for a Luton type of body, but this is actually a genuine Merc mirror from what I can make out. Okay, as you can see, still got all the numbers on it. You can read all that, but adjustable up and down, and obviously all this comes complete with a mount. Beautiful kit. I know it's brand new because I took it off a brand new door. You can see all them numbers in there, but obviously Mercedes don't make mirrors, but this certainly came off a Mercedes, okay, because I know I've got it on a brand new door. If you're interested in this mirror, give me a bell, 01773 835 666. Potentially I can get a couple more of these, but left and rights, but at the moment I just want to get rid of this one because it's surplus to requirements. Thank you.